What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. Happy Easter, everybody. Today is Easter, and I hope you're having an awesome day. We're gonna have a bunch of food. I'll actually have a vlog about today. But anyways, there's our earlier vlog released about Easter egg hunting. That was yesterday. I'll link it down below. Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. It is dropped in price to $649. It's a $150 price drop. I'll link it down below if you want to pick one up, but it's a really well spec'd out phone. It's got a decent camera, 6 gigabytes of RAM, the Kirin 970 processor, 128 gigabytes of storage. I believe it's a 6-inch display or pretty big display. It's a 1080p plus display, but otherwise really good phone. You know, there's some issues with the American government saying, hey, we don't want to use your phone, and American people don't use their phone, they might steal your stuff, but whatever. If you're interested in it, link down below, guys. And the last story of the day is about the Tello, which is a $99 drone. You can buy it through DJI's website, Amazon. I'll link it down below. But yeah, the only reason I got reminded of this because DJI sent me an email saying, hey, we have this drone. They didn't specifically make it. It's made by like Shenzhen company or something like that, but Intel has technology in it. And you know, if you're looking to get into the drone world and you don't want to spend a ton of money, might be a good way to just get yourself situated, get yourself oriented with a drone. It only does 720p video. It's not amazing, but it's a good way to kind of learn how to use a drone. It doesn't have all the newest technology, like doesn't have avoidance technology. So if you drive it into a wall, it's gonna hit that damn wall. It's not gonna go whoop. Yeah, you're near a wall. So it doesn't have every trick to the trade, but it has some of the stuff you guys might want. I'm kind of leaning towards, hey, do I want it? Do I not want it? But anyways, you can pre-order it right now. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question to you guys is, do you have a drone? Do you use a drone, or have you used a drone? And what do you think of drones? Would you like to see drones on the channel? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you down the road. Peace.